Extending a stay. Let's say Mr. Abel really likes your campground and has decided to stay 2 extra days. So we need to extend his reservation. Start from the rack view. Right-click on his new expected leaving date, 2 cells past his current ending date. Click Extend Previous Reservations to this date. Answer yes to the confirmation prompt. Since they've already checked in, the transaction dialog will appear so you can add the extra charges. Since the dates have changed, click on the Auto Calculate Rate Changes button right here, and then follow the same steps as our check-in tutorial to add the additional payment and print a new receipt, which you already know how to do. But we will just do that for an example. Not tendered. Yep, it's fine. Wonderful. Total amount due is 0. Print receipt here. And then you'll print it for them. You'll exit. Click Done, and the changes are finished.